In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online in the UK in 2025. Let's get started with this straightforward process that you can easily follow from the comfort of your home using a computer, tablet, or even your smartphone. First, you'll need to visit the official Barclays website. To do this, type www.barclays.co.uk directly into your web browser. A crucial point to remember here is to ensure that the website URL starts with https and that you see a padlock icon indicating that the website is secure. Avoid clicking on any links that seem suspicious or unfamiliar to safeguard your personal information. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice an option labeled either Bank Accounts or Current Accounts. Click on this to start exploring the different types of accounts Barclays offers. It's essential to choose an account that best fits your needs. If you need an account for everyday transactions, the Everyday Current account is a good choice. Higher income individuals might consider the Premier account. For students, a dedicated student account is available, while the children's account is perfect for those under 18. If savings is your priority, a savings account would be ideal. After deciding which account suits you, click Apply Now to begin your application. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and your current UK address with postcode. You'll also enter your email and phone number. Furthermore, they might ask for nationality and tax details, depending on your individual circumstances. Make sure that all information you provide matches the details on your identification documents to avoid any complications later in the process. The next step involves verifying your identity. Barclays will require proof of your identity and address. For this, you'll need to upload or scan your passport or driving license, and also a recent utility bill or bank statement. These documents are essential for verification. If you're completing the process on your phone, be prepared to take a clear photo of your ID and possibly record a short selfie video to facilitate the verification process. Now review all the information you have entered. It is crucial to double-check your details to avoid errors. Once you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and click Submit. After submission, you'll receive an email confirmation from Barclays acknowledging that your application has been received. The final step is waiting for approval. Barclays will review the information and documents you provided. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your sort code and account number. Additionally, you will receive your debit card by post, which typically takes about 5 to 7 working days. And that's it! You now know how to open a Barclays Bank account online in the UK. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.